Our world, humanity. We are conscious. We can perceive birth and death. We perceive the world. We can also use consciousness to cure diseases and prolong life. I invite you to join the journey to find the origin of our own consciousness. Maybe this knowledge will bring you good things. Please relax to watch a short summary of human consciousness that I have compiled. With our consciousness, we have created for us a lot of technology to serve our lives. It's great that I can send these messages of mine to you with the same technology that mankind has made. Skyscraper, machine, car, ship, plane, computer, all it's amazing. Through computers, connecting with each other by internet connection helps you and I can know more about the world without having to go far. We see our world is so beautiful, so wonderful. We also know a lot of amazing people who have done amazing things with their own consciousness. Looking at the achievements they have made, we will see their awareness to make our world as great as it is today. Do you think we should learn, think more, use the love in our hearts to build our own lives and contribute to creating a good society by being honest? We use our minds and hearts to work much more effectively. The results achieved will exceed expectations. Technology also makes it possible for humanity to know the quantum world and other universes, high, low, strange, invisible, that humans cannot perceive with ordinary senses. With technology has helped humanity expand their horizons and see cosmic. This is amazing and amazing. We are born into the observable universe within the cosmic and we are conscious. With our consciousness, we have created the wonderful world we have today. We can be proud of the achievements that mankind has created. So is cosmic conscious or not? How can we recognize and understand cosmic consciousness? Is conscious cosmic important to us? It is very important to me and nothing is more valuable than knowing this. Because I know the source that created me. The earth did not create me, I know where I live. The earth is a place where I can create something for myself. The place where I was created is definitely a wonderful place that no one can imagine. I need to go back to the home where I was created. What we perceive through our senses and technology is not everything. Did you know a delicious dish is a farmer's discovery without science or technology? Farmers just need to feel and go to the market to buy food to do. No scientist has ever used their recipes and computers to create delicious food. To know what is beyond the reach of technology and sensory perception, we must use our consciousness. Cosmic created all universes. Humanity, we were born into an observable universe in cosmic. Humanity is the achievement that cosmic has created. We are the achievement of cosmic consciousness. Man is the proof of the consciousness of the Creator. The Creator is cosmic consciousness. Could you please let me know this? What do you eat every day? Who can make the seed to give us food to eat? No one in our world can produce any seed. The universe we observe is not conscious enough to produce a seed. The food we eat every day is also proof of the Creator. Millions of species of beautiful and beneficial creatures created by the Creator. This is also proof of the existence of a Creator. I have seen this. My consciousness recognizes the existence of the Creator as being given to me by the Creator. Human talent is given by the Creator. All represent the consciousness of the Creator. There is only one Creator who is powerful in all. The Creator is present everywhere. The Creator is unique above all, the Source, the beginning, and the eternal. We worship and revere only one Creator. Surely someone knows this, so when we speak or share, they deny, distort the truth, they want to hide all of us. They use power and means to control the perception of mankind. We have not seen or connected directly with the Creator, because we have not passed the test of the Creator. We will see everything when we finish our test. Earth is the school for us humanity to learn and pass the test of the Creator. This school saves people from being destroyed by the devil. This school is also a place to trap demons. The earth is a school for people to express their free will to overcome all difficulties against evil or to follow evil. Our lives are the learning environment in the Creator's test for all. That is why we see evil unfolding in this world. Those who strongly overcome all difficulties in life, show compassion and love in their hearts without lying, deceit, will return to the Creator. I am in the same test environment as you. Honestly, it's hard to live with the truth in this world. I have also been weak many times while living in this world. I also had an abortion and lived a lie. I used to feel scared when a local policeman threatened me. But I have realized that all good things will come when I use my mind and heart to live. My life is so much easier and simpler. We use our minds and our hearts will overcome all. Don't let the instincts and DNA of evil in the body invade our minds and eat our hearts. We humans have been bred for a long time. The devil's faulty DNA is in our DNA. Our DNA is no longer the original purebred, but we can edit our faulty DNA with our own minds. By forcefully changing our minds against the evil within ourselves, we override, eliminate thoughts, lowly, weak, lazy, lustful, obscene, greedy, selfish, war. By overriding, changing the good disposition from the heart, our heart, this is very difficult. But anyone can do it when you decide to change your life. Just one decision you can change yourself. You only need one decision. Please share this with everyone to change the world to the wonderful and good that it never was. Earth is the school for recruiting good people and purging bad guys. The warriors of the Creator will be rewarded and the bad will be punished accordingly. Life and death in the observable universe are mere appearances, an illusion. Birth is not the beginning. Death is not the end. If you observe your body, you will see that it can tell you a lot. Your body can build a beautiful, healthy biological machine in your 20s for you to use. If you only see 50 kilograms or 100 kilograms chunks of meat, it's not enough. There are supernatural mysteries in your DNA. Your DNA knows what to do to help you return to your Creator. If I take an airplane image to talk about you and your body, then you are the pilot, and the plane knows the position and altitude it is flying. It helps you go home. All information and abilities are in your DNA. You don't have to go anywhere to find or do anything. Look within yourself. The following sins are very serious that we need to give up. Abortion is killing unborn children. Teaching children about sex leads to abortion and indulgence, lust, many wives. Human rule, greed and war. We must fight against abortion laws and teach children about sex. We need to fight the evil within us first. Then we fight against evil in society. We must also speak out strongly, fighting those who hurt their people while defending pedophilia, abortion, sex business, lewdness, laziness, war. We need to speak out against tyranny and injustice in society, against lies and cruelty, advocate for people living with the truth, protect nature, protect life. If the elites and rulers just tell the truth and give up power, they will see sights never seen before. We need to support and help those who live with truth, stay strong and responsible. We need to focus our thoughts to recognize good and bad. Not let our habits and instincts overwhelm our souls. Don't let our admiration and creed fool us. Living with the truth, passing the test is not easy, very difficult. Because we are subject to temptation, seduction, oppression by bad people, drawn by the majority. We are controlled by subliminal forces. Evil, cruel, deceitful, they consume our fear and weakness. So let us not let fear, weakness invade our soul. Be strong, courageous and responsible. The Creator is always with you. The Creator has put everything we need inside your DNA. Supernatural technology is hidden in your DNA that you need to unlock to return to the Creator. We already know the benefits of Wi-Fi and 5G networks that humans have created, but fail to see its harm to our health and minds. The Creator has a better way to connect us with each other. And that is natural Wi-Fi. Our natural Wi-Fi can receive connection from higher universes, connect with anyone. And technology and machines, means of transportation that we create to serve our work. We also know they have a lot of limitations and also create a lot of trouble for us. The Creator has given us everything we need inside our DNA. With a strong mind and energy in your heart, you can move mountains. Just you unlock it. Outwardly we see our body as just a 50 kilograms or 100 kilograms mass of meat, which is an illusion. Just like the surface of the atom. But when going deep inside the atom to enter the quantum world, it will be completely different. Humans are very strong, you don't know your strength yet. The most powerful and perfect supernatural ability cosmic has ever created is man, in your DNA, within you. Learn about awakening to unlock your supernatural abilities. You need to train the strong mind to take control of itself and reconnect with the Creator. What we see, we feel, we touch is not everything. What your common sense perceives is just the result of the simulation to help you learn in the school on Earth. The Creator's power has made the universe simulate as we know it for so long for anthropology and free will to anthropomorphize to fight the devil or follow evil. Your power is built into everything within you by the Creator. You do not need to go anywhere to find, you also do not need to rely on anyone to survive or fight evil. Evil cannot destroy you. Unlocking the supernatural ability within yourself is natural. Just as a seed just needs to connect with nature, connect with the sky, connect with the ground for the seed to sprout. 30 minutes a day to relax, look at the sky, look at nature. Listen and feel the sound of wind, birds, streams, rain, music of natural instruments. Is the way to activate your DNA, to find yourself. You should not live and work in concrete walls. Iron corrugated iron roofs and concrete walls will block the trigger signal that unlocks the supernatural technology in your DNA. You don't have to torment your body to activate your DNA. On the contrary, you need to eat well, eat fresh food, drink clean water, eat meat to keep your biological body healthy. Please share with as many people as you can.
Goodbye.